Hey guys, what's going on? Today is the day we can start putting this car back together for good, because we just went out and picked up our new T56 Magnum, and I love it. This actually just came out in the fall time from Tremec dogs. And what this basically is a TR6060, all internals. The gears are huge, but then it's meant for F-body swaps, so should work out really good. Brand spanking new, and it'll be able to hold, should be able to hold all the torque that we throw at it. So now what we need to do is get the turbos off, get the intake off, get all the piping out, all this, because it was just mocked in there anyways, and we have to raise the car all the way up and slide out the front subframe, because that's how we can get it in, because I can't get the engine and transmission to dive in there without hitting anything, so we gotta bolt it all up and then slide it in. So that'll be fun. But got all day today, tomorrow, start putting on this. Probably just put it on a time lapse with a few updates, and I'm just gonna keep working on it. Alright, update. Got the engine out, got all of its pieces taken off, transmission sitting there, engine's there, subframe is right here, and car is up in the air. Next, going to probably get this engine up in the air a little bit so I can start putting the clutch together and put the clutch on it. Then after that, we'll probably get the transmission on it, do a few things on it, get it onto this subframe right here, and we will slide it back in. All right, let's keep working on it. Alright, update. I have the engine, transmission, completely mated now. I got our monster clutch, the LT1RR twin disc is in. Everything's torqued down, everything's good. Transmission to engine, everything up here. And now, next on the list is to wheel this out a little bit. And then pick up the engine, mount, put it on the mounts right there, slide it back in. And all this is a lot of fun doing it by yourself. I wish we had a lift. Someday, that'll be awesome. But yeah, that's the update so far. Gonna keep working away. We are done. Luckily, Brandon came over and helped me get this in because this was a complete pain to do. I hate doing this. Need to get a lift as soon as we can. But we got the engine in, got all the mounts in, subframe mounts in. Then we got the T56 all mounted up, got its mounts in, and everything is rock solid, looking nice, doing good. Over here, you see the shifter came back right up where it's supposed to. So that's looking good. Everything's nice and solid, torqued down. I like it. I think engine looks slightly crooked. You gotta love that, because in these LS swapped E36s, it gets shifted to the right like 1.5 or 2 inches. So everything gets put on like a nice little angle, but it still goes straight once it gets all the way back. But yeah, that was fun. Nice 8-hour day working on all this. But I'm gonna go ahead, end it off right there. See you guys later.